Hey guys, Tuhorse here, and today we're presenting how to change your rotor and stator in your Tuhorse solar submersible pumps. Firstly, the parts and the tools that you need. Secondly, we highly recommend you download and print out how to change your rotor and stator instruction sheet that is also available through our website. Now let's go ahead and remove the top cap to remove the stator. Okay, now you should be able to pop that stator right off. We'll put that to the side. And now we want to remove the mesh plate to be able to remove the pump body from the motor. Okay, now that you see a couple of these Allen screws, we want to undo those. And the pump body should slide right off the motor. Here we have the exposed pump motor with the rotor. Now what we want to do is remove the rotor. So to start, you want to clamp down the motor and you want to be able to unscrew in a clockwise direction as the rotor is a reverse thread. Now let's go ahead and grab that spare piece of rotor and stator set that you have. Put the stator to the side and start screwing in the rotor back. Now once that new rotor is nice and tight, we're going to go ahead and reassemble the pump body back into that motor. Now this is the part where you want to grab that new stator that you put to the side and pop that straight back in. Now just remember, when you're replacing your pump with a new rotor, you also have to replace it with a new stator at the same time. And we're just going to go ahead and put everything back together again now. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and follow us for some more.